We sneeze in order to give our nose a reboot. Germs, dust, pollen, and pollutants get stuck in our nose, and the brain sends a signal to sneeze and get rid of them. Sometimes it takes a bunch of sneezes in a row to get them out of our nose. We don't sneeze when we sleep because the nerves involved in sneezing are relaxed. It's important to cover your nose when you sneeze because the spray from your sneeze can travel 5 feet or more around you. Some people sneeze from the sun when they walk from inside to outside. This is called photic sneezing. Photic means light. A single sneeze can come out as fast as 100 miles per hour. Pretty cool, huh?